face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.
Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this video I'll be showing you a legit site which is really paying. So if you are new to this channel and you are interested in making money online and learn as well, then please hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I upload concerning how to make money online and text. So guys, as I said, I'll be doing a video about a legit site which is really paying. As you can see my screen, this is a payment proof that I received yesterday. Yeah, I received this $5 yesterday, and if you can check the date, June 24 2019, and it was around 10:49 a.m. and you can check today's date. Today's date is 25th June 2019. So I received this payment yesterday. The site is really legit and it's easy to use. Let's go to the site. The name of the site is Intellizoom panel or Intellizoom.com. I will leave the link under the description so you can register and start making some $5 easily. So as you can see, your opinion matters. Get paid to share your experiences and make an impact on products you love and care about. So it's easy. It's easy. You just share your opinion and they pay you for that. Just share your opinions and get paid for that. So if you're new here, you just click on let's do this and the sign up page will open for you to register. Get paid quickly and easily. Saving up for something or looking for that bit of extra spending money. Join the people all over the world making additional income by sharing their experiences. Guys, it's really easy. Influence product experiences. Make an immediate impact on the products that you love and use today by sharing your opinion with the people that make and improve those products. Yeah, do it in your spare time. Yeah, you can do it at any time. Got 15 to 20 minutes to spare. Giving feedback is easy. Participate in studios remotely or your schedule from your home or on the go using your own device. So guys, this is really easy and I expect everybody who has subscribed to this channel to take action on this. It's really easy to use and you can make $5 every time you just take or you participate in their test. It's easy. You can make $5 over and over and over again. Okay, give feedback, get paid. Okay, that's really got a question, we got answers. So guys, you can, if you have a question, you can check through this thing and how quickly can I start taking studies. So you can check it out. How long are the studies going to be? You can check it out. How old do I have to be? You can check it out. How many studies invitations will I receive? You can check it out. How much money could I make? You can check all this out. As I said, I will leave the link under the description so you can check under the description to get the link so that you'll be able to register and make your $5 over and over again. So guys, this is what I have for you. It's real. I've tried it myself. I've got paid. That's why I'm sharing it with you. So don't doubt it. No, don't doubt it. Just check under the description. You see the link. This is not a referral program or a referral site. If you register, I will never get a commission. I just think about you. That's why I'm sharing it with you guys. So just check the description, you find a link, click on it and register. After that, start testing or start participating in their test and get or earn $5 over and over again. So guys, this is what I have for you this morning, and I hope you find it important. If you love this, hit on the like button, and again, if you love making money online, just hit on the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you don't miss any video that I come out with concerning how to make money online and text. So guys, I'll end here. Hope to see you next time. Bye.
Face, tell me that you love me.